Still struggling with that annoying Meta AI watermark? Stop wasting time. I found a method that actually works. And no, this isn't one of those fake tools that destroy your video quality. I kept seeing people complain about Meta AI watermarks on Reddit and Discord. A lot of tools either blur the video, lower the quality, or just don't work at all. So I tested a bunch of websites myself. And this one is honestly the best I've found so far. It's simple, fast, and takes less than a few minutes. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, click the website link in the description. Once you're in, you'll see the upload page. Next, upload the Meta AI video you want to remove the watermark from. Just drag and drop it here. Now click Start Removing. The AI will automatically detect and clean the watermark for you. Now just wait. Depending on the video length, it usually only takes a minute or two. And there you go. No watermark. No weird blur. And the video quality still looks clean. I tested a lot of websites before making this video, and this one gave me the most consistent results. This tool is especially good at removing floating watermarks, so if you've got videos with moving watermarks, like TikTok videos, you can remove those in just one click too. If your video still doesn't come out perfect, drop a comment below. I'll test more tools and share better fixes. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. I test AI tools every week so you don't have to waste hours trying broken websites. See you in the next one.